I gave you my heart.
Yo, what's up everyone? It's me Edward once again. We're going to unbox the PlayStation camera version 2. You can use this as your camera for streaming games on YouTube or on Twitch. You can also use this for your PlayStation VR. This camera has two lenses and a speaker with a built-in microphone. Let's open the box. Let's get that inside. Here is the camera. As you can see, that is the paper for the informations in the manual. And this is the stand, comes with the camera. The instruction manual. I will just have to pull this carton out of the way. Pull the wires. You can see it is wrapped with wrapping paper. That's a USB directly plugged to your PlayStation. This is what it looks like when you put it on top of your TV. And once you plug it into your PlayStation 4, this screen should pop up. You can edit your video or streams through the Share Factory. You can download it for free. Overall, the PS Camera version 2 is better than the version 1. You can use this as your streaming video and directly upload it to your YouTube or Twitch. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day. Thank you.